continue as we go into the weekend. You're looking at showers and thunderstorms right now over Danbury, areas of hail as well. And we're looking at a front that has become stationary, and it's going to play with us a little bit going back and forth. 2 a.m. though for your flash flood warning, Allegheny, Ashe and Wilkes County. We also have this warning for folks in Surry County until about 1:15. We want you to be cautious out there because rain tomorrow will also be a potential big deal for drivers out there. If you're heading out toward the Triad, Chapel Hill, Raleigh, you're under a slight risk. So a little bit of an elevated concern for the rainfall that could cause some flash flooding concerns. You're noticing too, we've got a lot of activity here lifting in from the south and west. Non-tropical yet, but we could become tropical in nature with those showers and storms beginning on Monday. So rain chances into next week look pretty good right now. Even if we don't have the system making landfall, we know it's going to have huge impacts at our coast. And for us, we get a drier day on Sunday, but some of our events on Saturday could be rained out or impacted by those showers and storms. Tropical impacts, of course, possible next week, but no guarantee just yet. We've got 69 degrees in areas of Kernersville, 70 out there, Winston-Salem through Greensboro, and you're seeing those winds pretty calm. Otherwise, the storms as they move in are going to bring in some strong gusts too. 20 to 30 mile an hour gusts possible with those storms tonight. 68 in the Piedmont. You've got fog in the morning, lots of showers likely through at least midday, and you're going to see a thunderstorm or two, but more of the thunderstorms could develop again late evening. So a little break between about noontime as we get you into 3-4 o'clock. You should have some drier patches out there. Then 5-6 o'clock, maybe a storm or two for folks in the Piedmont Triad. A little bit better of an opportunity in the foothills to see that developing sooner, and mountains as well. So an impact day for us as we talk about showers and storms in the morning, break, and then maybe another round. And once we get things going, you're seeing temperatures in the upper 60s tomorrow, especially in the mountains. You've got those 70s out there by about 10 a.m. You notice rounds of showers lifting in from the south going north, and it depends too where our front is. Right now we expect it to be down to the south and east. We're going to look at those showers and those thunderstorms popping up again 3 to 4 o'clock. Not everyone sees them. Mountains, though, foothills, you've got the better opportunities. Another round here between 10 and 11 could skirt through the Triad, but then expecting it to clear some for Sunday. You'll have some patches of sunshine, a little bit of cloud cover, but otherwise a drier day. Sunday's a nice day. Before we talk about that tropical impact that may build some rain from the beaches as we get into Monday afternoon, and noticing they're scattered too, at least to start. And that's a big question. What happens out in the tropics? We know that we've got Category 4 potentially Umberto forming here. Right now, Umberto a 4 at this hour actually continuing to track north and east with winds expected of 145 to higher with this storm. We're also looking at the system potential tropical cyclone 9. It is tracking close to the coast and then could make a turn. So we're watching the potential tropical cyclone 9 still forming. It hasn't actually formed yet. It's interacting with land here, and because of that, we don't have that center of the storm starting to intensify just yet. We do expect this storm system, though, potentially now to curve. This is the National Hurricane Center official track. We're going to see this change a whole lot over the next 48 hours. By Sunday afternoon, we're going to have a better handle on what's happening, because by that point it may become Imelda, and it could potentially be that Category 1 hurricane somewhere along the coast, off the coast of Daytona Beach, and interacting with this storm also to the east, which we're calling Hurricane Umberto, right? So we've got Imelda and Umberto that'll be working together in the Atlantic. It will cause a lot of travel problems out there for folks. We're expecting the tropical cyclone heat potential to still be in a favorable zone for what is 9 right now that could become Imelda. So this is one of the reasons it has a chance to really strengthen very quickly. And because it's near the coast, we're not going to have a big chance to react if it does move inland. So we do want you to be prepared. When we have a lot of forecast challenges with this system, does it stall close to the front? Will we have that upper level pattern helping to draw it in? Landfall for either system really uncertain. We could see more impacts though in Bermuda from, of course, Umberto. Strength of Imelda and the forward speed will have a lot to do with where it ends up. If it's moving a little bit faster, it could actually be drawn up with our upper level wind and end up inland. And how long will Imelda have over the water? Will it sit there and have a chance to really intensify long enough to do enough of a problem for us in terms of damage with winds and rain? And will that wind shear weaken the storm at all? So a lot of that will be dependent on what happens with Imelda. So we're looking at the twin tropical trouble for the southeast over the next couple of days. Our timing for North Carolina impact Monday through Thursday. We're talking about at least breezy conditions inland and some rain that could be heavy, 3 to 5 inches if we see the system coming in south of us. Right now, partly cloudy skies expected on Sunday for a lot of folks, and that's going to be your nicest day over the next several days. We even have rain chances lingering through Thursday, but some drier conditions possible by next Friday. all dependent on what happens in the tropics through middle of next week.